not forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for daily updates. Hello friends, welcome to Express Current Affairs. Let us see the important topics covered from today's Hindu newspaper along with the important questions that might appear in coming exams. I provided you the PDF of yesterday's grand test video in today's description. Whoever needs it can download it now. If you did not yet subscribe to my channel, please do it so that you do not miss every day's important current affairs. Let's start. What is the name of the gas that leaked in Bhopal gas tragedy of 1984? Methyl isocyanate, methyl cobalamin, methyl formate, or methyl iodide? The answer is A, methyl isocyanate. Very important question asked many times in many exams. Bhopal gas tragedy took place on 2nd to 3rd of December in the night in the year 1984. It is said to be the world's worst industrial disaster and also the man-made disaster caused due to the methyl isocyanate leak from the Union Carbide India Limited plant, which was in the Bhopal in Madhya Pradesh. Now 34 years after Bhopal leak, survivors still continue to fight for proper rehabilitation, proper medical treatment caused by the toxic leak. In this Bhopal gas tragedy, almost around 15,000 people were killed and almost 5 lakh people were affected due to the toxic leak. So very important, 1984, remember the year, very important year. Bhopal gas tragedy took place, and in this year itself, Indira Gandhi was assassinated, and in this year itself, anti-Sikh riots took place. So remember 1984 year, very important. Which of the following train will become India's fastest train? Gatiman Express, Shatabdi Express, Train 18 or Train 19? The answer is C, Train 18. Train 18 is set to become the India's fastest train. Earlier, Gatiman Express and Shatabdi Express are running with 160 km per hour and 150 km per hour. And now Train 18 exceeds 180 km per hour speed threshold during the test run. Now this Train 18 will be commenced from Jan 2019. The possible peak speed is 200 km per hour. George H.W. Bush served as which of the following President of United States of America? 40th President of USA, 41st, 42nd or 43rd President of United States? The answer is B, 41st. His full name is George Herbert Walker Bush. Served as 41st President of United States of America from 1989 to 1993. He was a member of Republican Party, died at the age of 94. He is said to be the longest lived president in the US history. His son George W. Bush served as a 43rd US President from 2001 to 2009. What is the term of office for Chief Election Commissioner of India? 5 years or until they attain the age of 65 years, whichever is earlier. 6 years or until they attain the age of 65 years. 5 years or until they attain the age of 60 years. Or 6 years until they attain the age of 62 years. The answer is B, 6 years or until they attain the age of 65 years, whichever is earlier. Very important question asked many times in many exams. You need to remember the term of office for Chief Election Commissioner of India. Recently, Sunil Arora has been appointed as new Chief Election Commissioner of India. He succeeds Om Prakash Rawat. He is a retired 1980 batch IAS officer from Rajasthan cadre. 2019 Lok Sabha elections will be conducted under him. He will be retiring on April 12, 2021. Now he says that he supports for free and fair elections in India. India will host G20 summit in which of the following year? 2019, 2020, 2021 or 2022? The answer is D, 2022. Very important year. For the first time ever, India to host G20 summit in the year 2022. India celebrates 75th anniversary of independence in the year 2022. Now, expected question, very important, G20 summit. Earlier it was expected that Italy would be hosting the G20 summit in the year 2022. But on request of Indian government, Italy had withdrawn to host. 2022 year has lot of significance. Earlier we have discussed about doubling of farmers' income by the end of 2022, which was promised by Narendra Modi. What is the main cause of the urban riots in France? Increase in fuel tax, end to corruption, increase in unemployment, or economical depression? The answer is A, increase in fuel tax. The main cause for the urban riots in France. The Yellow Vest movement had started in France. Hundreds of people took to streets protesting the current Macron government, which increased the fuel prices on diesel. People burnt cars, damaged buildings, looted shops, created havoc in the capital city. Now, Emmanuel Macron, the president of France, chairs Paris crisis meeting. He says no cause can justify violence. So remember, the major urban riots in France caused due to the increase in fuel tax on diesel. The goal of keeping global warming is limited to how many degrees in Paris Accord? 1 degree Celsius, 2 degrees Celsius, 3 degrees Celsius or 4 degrees Celsius? The answer is B, 2 degrees Celsius. Very important topic from environment. Paris Accord of 2015 limits the global warming cap to 2 degrees Celsius. Now, to cap this global warming at this limit, emissions must decline a quarter within 12 years. Conference of Parties 24 had begun in Katowice of Poland. Now, it will take place from December 2nd to December 14th. COP24 is very important this year because this year marks the deadline agreed by signatories of the Paris Agreement, which took place in 2015. Remember the COP21, Paris Agreement 2015, and remember the current COP24, Katowice of Poland, very, very important. Who is the current president of FIFA 2018? FIFA full form is Federation of International Football Association. The options are Gianni Infantino, Sepp Blatter, Daniel Burley Wolfall or David Gill. The answer is A, Gianni Infantino. Very important, you need to know the current president of FIFA 2018. Gianni Infantino gifts Narendra Modi the football jersey. Now, they had met in G20 Summit 2018, which took place in Argentina. We all know Argentina is one of the most successful nation football teams in the world, having won 2 World Cups in 1978 and 1986. Now, one name you need to remember from Argentina national football team is the captain of Argentina football team, Lionel Messi. Very important. Which of the following countries agreed to halt the escalating trade war? USA and India, USA and Japan, USA and China, or USA and Russia? The answer is C, USA and China. Now, both the countries have agreed to stop the imposition of new tariffs for almost 90 days. The present tariff imposed by the USA on China is 10%, which will be continued. Beijing agrees to buy the American farm products. Now, if no deal reached within 90 days, both the parties agreed to hike tariff to 25%. Remember, if any word trade war appears in the news, it is related to USA and China. Very important. Let's see the quote for the day, said by famous Albert Einstein. Everybody is a genius, but if you judge a fish by its ability to climb a tree, it will live its whole life believing that it is a stupid. Now, this means everybody has an immense capability to do different things in life. So, do not compare yourself with everyone else because each and every one of you is unique. So this is it for today. If you like my videos, mention your views in the comment section. Have a nice day. See you tomorrow. Thank you all for watching. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe.